been some satanic rituals up here, they say.
Are you here because of the satanic rituals?
I thought I heard a female voice over there.
Okay, with me. It's almost like a vehicle.
Yeah. So I'm thinking. It's down there. It's over here.
Over there too. I hear it both. I hear some down there.
Oh, yep. Sounds high up.
They're right up here.
They're right up there. I guess we'll go walk a little more. Look at these animal prints. Are these dog prints? I think they're dog prints.
Yeah, they're dogs. I was watching them. They're not really.
Do we want to keep going or try over here?
I'm thinking that you kind of fill it out, Cassie. Right? Like we can go further up.
I feel like here would be a good spot, but I'm worried that we would keep picking up on whoever's being all inconspicuous in the bushes.
What's up there? Is it? I think it. Can you get a good visual up there?
Let's find out.
Let's keep going, guys. I mean, we do have a couple cameras, so we could like put one,
Yeah, like down the trail and
down the trail a bit more farther from us. Ooh, that looks home bases away from.
This place to get abducted.
For finding the body, right?
Yeah.
Really, we're talking about abduction. We just saw a guy coming down. Did he have a face?
Yeah, he did, but he was on a bike in the snow.
Yeah. I might know the guy.
What's that?
That's not too far.
what?
That sound. It sounds like right over here, but
They have pumps that go through here. I don't know if that's what it is.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know if that's what it is.
Right.
Where's that water?
Oh, that's weird sounding for water.
Look how beautiful that lake is.
It's consistent to be an animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a pretty view.
Well, if nothing, we came here for the view. And that Sasquatch coming up there. Just kidding. No Sasquatch. Oh, it's only Clinton.
Oh, should we walk back down and grab some more equipment then?
Yeah. Suck. It always happens that way, huh? Did you bring your rope light, Clinton?
I did.
We gotta be careful. We don't want to get those wet.
I wasn't sure. I brought an extra blanket too, so we could lay on the blanket.
Disclaimer. Weather was not ideal for investigating, which may have resulted in false positives on our equipment. However, we still felt that there was energy there, and we wanted to share in our documentation.
You want to grab that, Cassie, and I'll grab.
You want me? I'll take that.
Okay.
Is that everything?
I just gotta grab my
I
body
think
cap.
that's okay.
Okay, I'll turn and keep everything else up here.
Oh my god, my fingers. Yeah, I probably shouldn't go down by myself.
Yeah, there we go.
Safety in numbers, right?
And if we see an animal, we can just try to push each other along.
Right? Angie would have made it.
Girls, be safe.
You said bring this camera?
Yeah, please. If you don't mind. Good spirits. Show us what you got. You're gonna have to have a backdrop if you're using the body cam.
Okay, 3 years. Maybe we move it by the tree or this.
Yeah, you're gonna want the tree as your where's the camera from? Yeah, I would want it.
Cassie, I think she did want that over by where we were.
Oh, that one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Well, I think we need something more over there.
Then just the EMF.
Yeah.
Clinton! Back down.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, keep that there.
Oh, you mean the pyramid?
Yeah. No.
Oh, my fingers.
Yeah, run into the rim.
Clint's gonna be the troll. Why are you doing that?
Is that water though, Clinton?
Huh?
Be careful.
It's not water.
You tell BAM! Clinton! I have it on video.
Oh my God, we'll have another scenario. Be careful. I will. Whoa!
He just disappeared. Where'd he go? Where did Clinton go?
This. Do you have the other thing that your little tripod was in? The case?
Yeah, I have the battery.
Oh, the bag. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just wanted to make sure we didn't lose anything to the wind.
Because you have the pyramid bag, right? Okay.
There was no pyramid bag.
Or
it was just
the lantern bag, sorry.
Yes, correct.
All right, let's head on up.
All right. Okay. Start investigating.
Don't slip and fall, girl.
Oh, got it.
That's gotta be a pump of some kind. I think it's. Yeah, a rabbit. It was like, heard something run up real fast. I'm like, that can't be Clinton. So I'm like, ah! Look behind me, it's a rabbit.
Oh, like a jackrabbit or
Uh-huh.
a rabbit?
It was kind of like the ones we were chasing that one time.
Oh, okay.
You know, wild rabbits.
That just goes over all the way over along the bottom of the mountain there.
Oh, okay.
I walked up the river, so it's really cool.
Is there water in it?
No.
I don't want the snow to set off the. I'm gonna put my hands on this warmer for a second before I do anything with batteries. 'Cause it's gonna be real. I almost wonder if the wind is passing through something.
That or there's just some piping or something over there that's going off and on. Yeah, walk that way. But I probably don't want to go through it.
If you want, we have devices.
I did. What was that, a coyote?
I don't know if it was a voice or if it was an animal.
It sounded like a howl.
Heard that?
That could be the wind, right?
I could have caught it.
No, see? But let's hold on. The wind is really making it kind of move right now. Dude.
That shouldn't have went off.
No.
Because it's pointing out.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
I like what it called this.
Just throw it out as a possibility.
Possibility. I'm just saying, it could have been my head. You have cameras facing this way too. I have you guys. So I have you guys, this, and that rock. I do not have here. I just put that there for.
Because yeah, we'll be able to hear it on anything, anyways. So.
That was weird. You see that light up there?
Yeah, up at the
It
mountain.
just like flickered and then shot that way
Yeah.
really fast.
I was almost thinking, was it a shooting star? But
Maybe. That was weird.
Was it in the mountain?
No, it was
No.
like off. See where that star is, like halfway up?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It was to the left of that, and it went like right underneath it.
Well, like I said, there was supposed to be a meteor shower, and it said it started at 9, but again, I don't know what time
Yeah.
9 really means.
sound like a howl, but I can't tell if it's a howl or a wind.
Makes me not want to have my back to it. I'm gonna sit down.
I have a camera and watching you guys.
Whoa!
Whoa, what?
That was cool.
You saw. Oh, why am I missing them? Dang it!
There's
there's
another
another
Did you
one.
see it?
Yeah,
That
that was
is
back
cool.
over on behind that mountain.
Yeah, we're behind the mountain.
That has to be a meteor shower. I don't see that many.
I usually never see that, guys, but I've kept over there.
Yeah, even if we don't get any paranormal activity, we'll get a show tonight.
I don't think we could capture it on film, maybe, but
Oh, and we
No.
we will get the show.
at least we gotta see. I gotta see one. Did you get to see one yet, Cassie?
Not yet, but the night is not over.
Like all over.
It's supposed to go on for hours.
So, spirits, should I bring an EMF pump?
Sorry, it's me.
Let's go fix it.
Is there a man here from the 70s? You're welcome to join our little powwow. You sense that? I don't know if I sense it. I just, knowing that he. Well, she said that there was a man that runs down.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
That would be real dope if I just felt that. The papers left?
Oh, okay.
There we go.
All right, so I don't have Clinton on, so camera.
What is that that's flashing over there that's green?
It just went off.
Oh yeah.
On that
Ramp
rock.
up.
It was on and then it just went off.
It was green.
Yeah, it went.
The pod?
That's our motion. That's our REM pod.
Yeah.
That should go off.
It was.
It was
going
green.
It went off. There was a sound.
Awesome. Are you around us? Should we get? I want an EMF pump.
Oh yeah. What's your name? Donald? Judith?
Kurt.
Donald, are you Native American?
No. Friends? Oh, okay.
That's me. That's good.
We have all these devices that will let us know if you're here. Who's the man that runs down the mountain? What's his name?
That was so quiet. What did you guys do to cancel the weather?
Is there someone over there by the...
You might be sitting. I don't know. I think you are.
Can you set that off again?
Just let us know that it's you doing that. You don't have to be afraid of it.
It won't hurt you.
Huh? What about Brigham Young? Did you like Brigham Young? What?
Is
It wouldn't have been you, Barbara, because I'm not here.
Yeah, you gotta be close to that.
Yeah. I was just throwing things out, right?
Gotta. Yep.
I'll stop moving around. Yeah. Look at birds.
It's so bright.
But dark at the same time.
I know, it gets dark, like that weird dark.
Who's sitting over here that wants to light this off? Do you like the rabbits? Oh, one rabbit scared me.
Are you a part of the tribe?
Is there a little girl in the lake?
What's her name?
Did you guys know big elk?
I just saw that thing light green a little bit.
Can you make our lights go off?
What is
There's been some satanic rituals up here, they say.
Are you here because of the satanic rituals?
Do you choose Meteor?
So Big Elk's wife, did she perish in this canyon?
You know, it's funny you say that because when I picked up on Massacre, I had like a vision of a woman like laying dead,
Where though? Like on the ground?
just like on the ground. But that could be anyone. If we came back again when it was warmer, would you talk to us again?
I'll bring marshmallows. Okay. What do you guys? I'm like, I am full.
We could ready to pack up.
Yeah. I'm trying real hard.
I'm at the point where I'm like ready.
Alright.
We saw we went hungry.
Thanks for talking.
People,
They're coming out on the vehicle.
it's a Sasquatch.
They went the other way. Oh, cool.
Is it a Sasquatch? Dang it, what's her? Wouldn't it be cool he's wearing a Bigfoot outfit? Should I wrap myself in the...
Are we entertaining you guys?